Do you want to speak Japanese with confidence? If the answer is yes, this video is perfect for you.
Today, let's describe things in the past. In just about 5 minutes, you'll be able to say, Ieyasu was a great shogun, for example. Structure is new expressions, practice, and summary.
Master Japanese through my natural approach and gain confidence. And please call me Arai sensei.
From part 5, lesson 1, you can say Kyoto is an old town. Try? Yes, 京都は古い町です。古い modifies the following word 町. Good start. We studied adjectives ending with E plus thing in part 5, lesson 1. Also, you can say Tokyo is a lively town. Go! Yes, 東京は賑やかな町です。賑やかな modifies the following word 町. We studied adjectives ending with na plus thing in past 5 lesson 2. Today let's talk about the past. Edo is now called Tokyo. Edo was a big town. Then you say, 江戸は大きい町でした。Repeat after me. 江戸は大きい町でした。江戸は大きい町でした。Nice! First, let's revise some words in part 5. Okay, tell me famous in Japanese. Yes, 有名な。Next, nice or gorgeous. Yes, 素敵な。Beautiful or clean. Yes, きれいな。Amazing. すごい。Big. 大きい。Interesting or funny. Yes, 面白い。The last one, scary. 怖い。Very good. Now let's use the words in a sentence. Now let's talk about 有名な将軍 in the past. So do you know Ieyasu was an amazing shogun? Try. Yes. 家康はすごい将軍でした。So でした shows the past. Well done. Next, 秀吉 was a nice shogun. Go. Yes. 秀吉は素敵な将軍でした。Good. And 信長 was a scary shogun. Go. 信長は怖い将軍でした。Fantastic! Okay, let's ask now yes/no questions. Now let's say your previous job is X. And let me ask you, X は面白い仕事でしたか? Tell me. For example, はい、面白い仕事でした。or いいえ、面白い仕事じゃなかったです。So, negative past じゃなかったです。Okay? Repeat after me. じゃなかったです。じゃなかったです。Good! Now your turn. My previous job was 大学講師。Ask me. Yes. 大学講師は面白い仕事でしたか? はい、面白い仕事でした。The last part, open question. Remember question word どんな is used before a thing. Okay, let's talk about 先祖 ancestors. When I talk about your ancestors, I say ご先祖さん in order to show respect to your ancestors. Okay? By the way, 人 means people and person. Then I'll ask you, ご先祖さんはどんな人でしたか? Answer? Yes. Description 人でした。Remember, you just say 先祖 when you talk about your side of the members. Now ask me about my ancestors. Yes. ご先祖さんはどんな人でしたか? 祖父は有名な人でした。祖母は有名な人じゃなかったです。でも、優しい人でした。 Okay, let's summarize the lesson. Today we studied deshita in adjectives modifying a thing. Question ka? Answers はいでした。いいえじゃなかったです。And question word どんな。
すごいです。New start, new you. Become a confident Japanese speaker in this new academic year. Have you ever learned from a highly qualified and extensively experienced native Japanese teacher? Can you imagine how different your language learning journey will be? Accelerate your learning through high-quality lessons. No more memorizing, no more wasting time, no more stress. Feel great about your progress. You will quickly be able to express yourself and your needs, behave like the native Japanese speaker, and study Japanese effectively. Yes, you can! See the difference what Matt experienced. Before, I couldn't find a textbook or course that suited me. It was annoying that I had to waste lots of money on books and classes that didn't help my studies. But Arai Academy provided me tailor-made lessons where the teaching staff really understood my level, and now I feel much more confident when communicating in Japanese. My students answered the questions about their Japanese language journey before and after joining Arai Academy. On average, their progress speed was 3.7 times more, and their confidence level in speaking Japanese was 4 times more. Will you keep the same method, or are you ready to become a successful Japanese speaker? Click the link, try a lesson, and see the difference. www.araiacademy.com/Mineko Arai profile. I wish you a smooth journey. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.